Forgotten username recovery failed on BusyKid Fix. If your BusyKid username recovery keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they assume BusyKid still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that BusyKid relies on your registered email as the main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the BusyKid app or visit the website. Enter the email linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, check your inbox for past messages from BusyKid, like transaction alerts, account updates, or notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the email doesn't arrive immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access the account, contact BusyKid support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. BusyKid remove usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and funds are safe. Use the registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your BusyKid account in minutes.